Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to make a call on a Nokia 105. So there's two ways to make a call. First way is actually by typing in the number. If you're making an international call, you need to press star twice. This will add the plus, and then you can add the area code. So once you've entered the number, whichever one you want to call, you then press this button here to make the call. You press this button to end the call. The second way to make a call on a Nokia 105 is press the menu button here, come up to your contacts, then select the names, find the contact that you want to call, select it, and then press the large button again to make the call. So that is how to make a call on a Nokia 105. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.